Hey guys, so for the advanced gele, guys, I want to show you how you are going to divide your gele. If you want to tie your advanced round gele that will be very high, so I want to show you guys the gele that I want to. So this is the gele I want to tie, guys. This advanced round pleated gele, this is the one I want to tie. So if you want to tie this gele, guys, and you want it to be very high, minimum of the joining of the gele has to be like 4-5. If you even want it to be very high, you can make it 6. That means the joining has to be like this one now that I want to use now is 1, 2, 3, 4. The joining of the gele is 4. So after dividing your gele like this, just look at what I'm doing, guys. After dividing your gele into 50-50 like this, after joining it, so you make your gele to be like this. Just look at me, guys, like this, equal like this. After that, your finger like this your 2 finger, this one hand, and this your thumb hand, this other hand. So you will now go and do this. What, Joseph? Sorry guys, my baby. So the next thing you will do now is that this your 2 hand I told you. You will now use it to measure it like this. They ring like this. So so you will now do it like this, guys. This your 2 hand like this. This your 2 hand will be your measurement, and you are measuring 2 of this, because if you want to tie this your advanced round gele, the ratio has to be 55-45. Do not forget 55-45. So you do it like this. This 1 and 2. That is 2. From here like this, you will now drop your gele like this. So that means this part is your 45, while this other part that is very long is your 55. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. So let me know if you have any question. Just let me know.